And?
Hi, Grandma.
Okay. Hey, who's the greatest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, big shaka. Hey, who's the fastest cook around?
The man with the pan.
Okay, give the man in the pan big shaka. That's the one. Welcome to the man and the pan. I will show you how to make a green onion sauce into a delicious pork tenderloin with green onion sauce dish. Okay, so I got my pork here. I put some salt, some pepper, and I add on some garlic powder. Okay, I got my pan over there. Put in some olive oil, and I'm gonna fry it. Okay, and I got my bag here, and I put in some flour. Right, put the bag, put the flour. Shake them up just like this. Shake out the excess flour like that. Okay? And fry them. Pork tenderloin. Very good part of the pork. I don't want to waste any time. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a green onion sauce. Okay? I got my blender. In the blender, I add in some blanched green onions. I blanch the thing in the pot. There's the green onions. Dump the thing right in. Then I grate in some ginger right in here. And about a little bit over 1 teaspoon, maybe 1 tablespoon. Okay? Put in about 1 teaspoon of wine salt. Okay? Okay, then you get your olive oil. Oh, the burger look good already. Okay? Let me taste. Oh, I got one. You know, this sauce here is so good. You can use them for chicken. You can use them for pork, like I'm gonna use them. I love it with shrimp and seafood. Okay? There you go, the green onion sauce. Look at that. Mean it. Daiso. Yeah. Your board no fly all over the place. My Daiso equipment, the chopstick, you get fork, new, look at that. $1.50. It's just about done, okay? Look at that, right? Pork tenderloin, do-rock pork. To plate this is very simple, okay? Just kind of like spread it around like that in the plate. Kind of just like this, yeah? Yeah? Your knife, you just slice down the pork just like this, okay? Okay, just like that. Sprinkle some on here like that. Okay, the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, this sauce here goes well with anything. Especially things that you make in the pan. Until next week, stay tuned for the man and the pan. Oh, the problem with this, cannot stop eating. Aloha.